In this video we will see two ways to merge two PDFs. Okay, so I am going to import PDF file merger, okay, from the PyPDF module. So first we will be using append. Okay, so it will append the file at the end. So let's define a new function, appending. Okay, so this is our new function. So let's make a merger variable and we'll call here PdfFileMerger. Okay, so we'll provide the file stream. So we'll open the file. Okay, the file name is PdfFileMerger.pdf. It is inside the same folder as this file. Okay, and we'll make the merger.append. Okay, F1. Now we'll input the direct path merger.append. So the second file name is PdfFileMerger.pdf. It is also in the same folder. Okay, so we'll make merger.write. Let's name the new file as merged. Okay, mergedPdf.pdf. So this will be our new file. So it will be created. So let's see the second method by inserting. Okay, so it will insert it at the end. Okay, so let's define a new function by inserting. Okay, and here let's call the PDF file merger. Merger equals PDF file merger. Okay, so let's make merger.append. So first file name will be pdf1.pdf, and here we'll merge. Okay, and we'll put the second file name pdf2.pdf. Okay, and merger.write, and we'll put the new file name merged pdf1.pdf. Okay, so this is our new file. So let's call the function if name equals name. We'll call the functions by appending and by inserting. So let's run the program. So the files have been merged. So you can see here merged PDF1 and merged PDF